deaf in my left ear, so it made things really hard. It made it hard for me to relate with people, and so as I've gotten older, I've always been the guy who was part of like the ASB club, trying to prevent bullying, making sure I was like the one who I was the one who handed out flyers to people, like trying to build awareness, just to make sure, because I know how it feels. It feels awful. So I've always made sure that bullying was to my fullest capability. I was trying to prevent bullying.
Please do. What are you currently working on?
Well, right now I'm working on my album that should be coming out
15
sometime around
episodes.
April.
We got, yeah.
I'm not sure the dates, but my genre is kind of classic pop. It's kind of classic. It's from Michael Bublé, so it's it's from there, but it gets the radio play, so it's very universal. The whole family can listen to it, have a great time. So I'm working on that right now in April. My Christmas album coming out sometime around December.
Do you have a Twitter?
I do. You can follow me on at the Dylan Hyde.
So